Some vehicle service issues can sneak up on you if you don't pay attention to the warning signs. With air conditioning, you don't have that problem. When it's not working properly, you know it. And if you're like most of us, you want it fixed right away. Service and repair can be costly, so this is no time to trust your vehicle to just anyone. For air conditioning service, you want to put your trust in a GM-trained service technician using GM-approved parts and products. When your AC performance begins to fade, it's time to see Mr. Goodwrench. Here are some signs that your AC system needs service. Frequent fogging of your windows, low airflow from the vents, unusual noises such as knocking, rapping, or rumbling when the air conditioner is on, or warm air instead of cool circulating through the passenger compartment. This may mean a leak. For the last several years, GM has installed leak detection dye in many GM air conditioning systems. Your GM service technician has an ultraviolet light to help find these leaks and quickly diagnose the problem. You may also experience an unusual odor when you turn on the system. There is a GM-approved treatment available that can rid your vehicle of foul odors from air conditioning system. The treatment can eliminate the problem for several years and is the most economical in the long run. And here's a tip. Turn off your AC and let the fan run a few minutes before pulling into your driveway. This will dry the evaporator and help reduce the odor. If you require air conditioning service, it pays to stick with GM factory-approved products. Mr. Goodwrench can make sure that you get the right genuine GM parts for your vehicle. When you go to your dealership for service, be sure to ask for a printout documenting the quality and quantity of your vehicle's refrigerant before and after service. Trained GM service technicians use sophisticated equipment such as the ACR 2000 to make these determinations. You can see exactly how your system is functioning by checking the printout of the test results. If your vehicle has a cabin air filter, it's a good idea to change it every 2 years or 12 to 15,000 miles, or more often if you drive in a dusty environment. A dirty filter can reduce airflow in your air conditioning system. Your owner's manual can tell you if your vehicle is equipped with a cabin air filter and provide you with additional guidance. To recap, with air conditioning, if you have a problem, you'll know it when you don't feel it. Then it's important to seek help from someone who is factory trained and knowledgeable to fix it. That's easy. Just see Mr. Goodwrench at one of the nearly 7,000 GM dealers nationwide.